Hello, do you remember me? I'm the one who broke your heart. I'm here, I'm here.
Hi my love, how are you? Today I'll show you how to make an easy but elegant updo that you can do in minutes. So we'll begin by selecting our top section, make a ponytail, and then we want to make an opening through this ponytail and bring this ponytail through this opening. Now I want to tug on the edge of the created topsy tail, so we'll have a lot of volume on our crown. Then we want to grab all our hair incorporating this topsy tail as well, and we'll make our second ponytail. And last time make sure to pull it only halfway through. Now I want to grab the ends and wrap it around the last ponytail. Tuck it into the elastic the ends like I'm showing underneath created bun. You want to pull a little bit the hair around the ponytail. You can use some bobby pins and hairspray to fix it, and you're done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this hairstyle. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys. Have a beautiful hair day everyone. Bye.